Welcome everyone. Today we will be demoing the CAT Solutions seating chart generation program. The program is a Java executable jar file and can be opened by double-clicking on it anywhere within your documents. The program will open to a window like this, and the main interface has a seating chart tab and a students tab, which can be found in the upper left-hand corner. The seating chart tab shows a map of Miss Clo's room, and the students tab will show a list of all the students once you have created them. To make a new class, navigate to the Classroom section in the seating chart part of the program. When you click on this arrow, you will find a list of all the classes that you have created. To make a new class, simply click New and enter your class name. Note that if you try to create a classroom with the name that already exists, then you will be prompted to give another name. After you have created your class, you will want to add some students. To do this, go to the Students tab section of the program. At the bottom right, you will see a New Student and Delete Student button. When you click on the New Student button, a new row will pop up, and when you double click on this, first you must fill out their student ID number, which is crucial to the program's function. Fill out their name, gender, and save this to create the new student, and it will pop up right here. If you want to delete the student later on, then highlight their name and click on Delete Student. I have already created a class to show you what the final class list might look like. Now when you go to the seating chart part of the program, you will see a New Chart button in the bottom right corner. When you click on this, a seating chart will be randomly generated for all the students in your class. It is designed so that no student sits next to the student they've sit in previous quarters. For example, if we follow Trishul, we'll see that he's sitting next to Joel right now. But when you click the New Student button, he is sitting right here next to Jihoon and Lee. If you click it again, now he is sitting over here next to Seema and Gayani. Now remember that it's also designed to make sure that you're sitting with people of different genders and different races there. There is also an option to make sure that certain students sit in certain seats. Notice how the seats are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here, and continues in here, and then back around to the center. Now, if I wanted, for example, Trishul to sit in a certain seat, I would double click on him, fill in the assigned seat number, and we're going to make that 1 for now. Click Save, and when you go back to the seating chart generation, you'll see that his name is already filled out, and when you click on New Chart, everyone else's name will shift except his. If I wanted to remove the assigned seat, I would go back to the students, double click on Trishul's name, and clear the assigned seat number, click Save, and then when we go back to the chart, he is no longer filled out and does not have to be sitting in seat number 1. If we wanted to make sure that certain students did not sit next to each other, for example, we did not want Trishul and Abby to be sitting next to each other, then we would go to the Students tab, double click on Trishul's name, either one of them would work, go to the Separation tab, click New, and we have a list of all the students in the class. Find the certain student that you do not want them to be sitting next to, double click on their name, and it will be shown here for you. Go back to the main editor, click Save, and now whenever you click the new chart, Trishul and Abby will not be sitting next to each other. Abby is here and Trishul is over here. In the next cycle, Trishul is here and Abby is over here. The seating chart program will work at any location in your computer because it stores the files in a single location on your computer. If you go to the local disk and you go to Users, click whatever user you were in, and go to the seating chart program, which is located in the same folder as the My Docs, My Pictures, My Music. The seating chart will have made its own folder. Double click this, and here it will be a list of all the classes you've created, and inside there will be a list of students, which the program uses, and a list of desks, which the program also uses to keep your current seating chart. So whenever you create a new seating chart and you want to save it, click the Save button, and it will automatically be done for you. If you wanted to save the program's data files in a specific location on your computer, then you would go to the File, Save As button. Currently we can see in my folder that there are no CSV files there. You go back to the program, you can click the directories that you want to go to, and once you do that, click Open, and then once you go back to the directory, you'll find that there are now the students and desk CSV files there that you can open and view however so you please.